literally up the road from Salisbury, and this is the old airfields. This is where the Spitfires, once they were constructed in bits, they come up here to be assembled, and then they fly off to wherever they're needed in any of the air bases. It's such a secret operation. None of us knew about it until, well, literally fairly recently. As you can see, all the old buildings are still here. It's amazing. And then next to it, the old air base. Now it's a hotel, but in the day, 30 years ago, that used to be a nightclub, which a lot of people, again from Salisbury, used to come